Have you ever wished you could trade crypto automatically without coding, without sitting in front of charts all day? That's exactly what Pionex offers. With 16 free built-in trading bots and some of the lowest fees in the industry, you can let automation work for you 24/7. In this video, I'll walk you through the pros, the cons, and whether Pionex is really worth your time. What is Pionex? Pionex is a cryptocurrency exchange that has gained massive popularity because of its integrated trading bots. It's designed for both beginners and advanced traders who want to automate their strategies. No third-party software, no extra costs, just open your account, pick a bot, and start trading. Key strengths: here's why people are talking about Pionex. First, the bots are completely free. From grid trading and DCA to arbitrage and infinity grid, you have a full suite of strategies ready to go. Second, the trading fees are extremely low, around 0.05% per trade, much cheaper than most major exchanges. Third, Pionex is regulated. It's registered with FinCEN in the US and provides proof of reserves for transparency. And finally, the app is user-friendly, supports demo trading, instant swap, and even Pionex Earn for passive income. Weaknesses to consider: of course, no platform is perfect. Pionex doesn't have strong fiat support, so you usually need to deposit crypto instead of cash. Some users have reported slow customer support, and Trustpilot reviews are mixed. And while the bots are powerful, you still need to monitor your trades. Automation is not a guaranteed profit machine. With bots versus without bots, so what's the difference between trading with bots versus going manual? If the market is moving sideways, grid bots can capture small profits on every swing instead of sitting on an idle portfolio. Bots also help you stay disciplined, removing emotional decisions like fear and greed. In short, you trade smarter, not harder. How to get started? Getting started is simple. Step 1. Sign up on Pionex using the link in the description. Step 2. Deposit crypto such as USDT or ETH. Step 3. Choose a bot, for example, the grid trading bot. Step 4. Set your parameters like price range and grid size. Step 5. Activate the bot and let it trade automatically for you. You can always monitor performance in the app and stop or adjust whenever you like. Real users on Reddit often share that the grid bot provides excellent returns in sideways markets. Many say it's one of the most stable, beginner-friendly bots out there. But they also warn, don't confuse bots with guaranteed income. Always check your floating P&L and adjust settings wisely. If you're ready to try automated crypto trading, check out Pionex today. The link to sign up is right below in the description. Click it, explore the bots, and see how automation can change the way you trade. Remember, this is not financial advice. Crypto trading is risky. Only invest money you can afford to lose. This video is purely for educational purposes, showing how Pionex bots work. Thanks for watching this review of Pionex Trading Bots. If you found it helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let the bots do the heavy lifting, and I'll see you in the next video.